If you're a small business owner, a content creator, influencer, or even a marketer, you know just how tedious it can be to edit ads to promote your products. Well, I want to show you an easy and quick hack that can take your product URL links into video ads using AI for TikTok or YouTube Shorts with JoggAI. The first thing you want to do is go to a web page, a blog post, or an article that has images that you want to transform the URL links into a video ad like TikTok or even YouTube Shorts. And so I'm going to be using this web page from Emilion Dor. Go to the URL that you want to transform the link to in a matter of seconds. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to press Command C to copy the URL, and I'm going to go over to JoggAI. Once you are on the website, you're going to create an account. You're going to sign up. It's for free, and you're going to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Get Started for free. I have the link now, so I'm going to go here, and I'm going to press Command V to paste the link. I'm going to go ahead and click on Analyze the URL. So I'm going to click on Confirm. So for the product name, you could either copy the same text that was up here. You can see it automatically did it for you, so you don't even have to type that in. That just saves you like a whole bunch of time. And then for the size, so you can do a 9:16, which is a vertical size for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. And then you also have 16:9, which is a standard video aspect ratio, and you have a 1:1, which is a square format. So I'm gonna go 9:16. So here you can choose how long you want the ad to be. So you can do 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds, which is a minute. I'm gonna do 15 seconds, and then you can also choose the language. I'm gonna do English, and you're going to click on next. It's going to analyze the URL title, and then it's going to create a script for you, and I'm going to click on the next button. And now it asks to choose a template. I'm going to start with the AI option first. So if I go ahead and I push play, this is what it's going to sound like.
Elevate your style with the ALD Porsche 993 Turbo Leather Club Jacket.
And then you also have the floating avatar. So if I go back here and I push play,
elevate your style with the ALD.
So in the avatar section here, you can create your own avatar if you click on create avatar. So if I click on this, it's going to take you to this page here where you can create your own avatar in 3 minutes. And when you click get started, it's going to show you the video instructions and the text instructions. And here it shows you some incorrect examples. And if you click on got it, this is easy. Here it says to upload your footage. So you can upload your own footage that you filmed using your smartphone. So you do have the option of uploading your own footage, which is the best quality. Or you can record with the webcam, which is a quicker way of doing it. And here it shows you some quick example footage of what can work with this. And once you complete and upload your footage, your avatar will be here once it's processed. I'm not going to do it in this video, but you do have that option if you want to use that. Here you can see all of the really cool avatars that you can pick from. So the one I have right now is the Charles Deluxe Living. Maybe I want to switch it to this one where he's in a coffee bar. Depending on the type of ad that you are using, you may want to kind of find that person that fits the target audience. So if I click on this one, it's going to look like this.
Elevate your style with the ALD Porsche 993 Turbo Leather Club Jacket.
Maybe you want to do Kofi.
Elevate your style with the ALD Porsche 993.
Like let's do Nick Outdoor Creekside or something, just to see what options we have here.
Elevate your style with the ALD Porsche 993 Turbo Leather Club Jacket. Experience luxury with premium leather and iconic Porsche branding.
So I'm going to go with this one for now. It's going to sound like that.
Porsche 993 Turbo Leather.
And then I'm also going to change the voice here. So I'm going to go with male for the gender. For the language, we're going to do English. For the accent, I'm going to go with I think a German accent. Age, we're going to go with middle-aged. And use cases, we can just leave that one how it is. And I'm going to go with the first one, the Thomas Fischer, authentic German. So this is what it sounds like.
The best thing about the future is that it only comes one day at a time.
So I'm going to click on confirm. So we're going to go over to the music section. And if I click on music, you can choose music that fits the aesthetic and style that you like. I'm with the easygoing country vibe.
Elevate your style with the ALD Porsche 993 Turbo Leather Club Jacket.
I think that one sounds pretty good. So I'm going to go with the easygoing country vibe. Okay, so once you're at this point, you can also create multiple videos with the batch feature, which is super cool. If you want to create, like, let's say A/B testing, and you want to figure out which ad will perform the best if you're on TikTok Shop or the YouTube Shorts. So you would go over here where it says video 1, and if you click on this plus button, you can actually add multiple videos in different visual styles. So maybe the second video, you want to do the floating avatar. So I'm going to click on this one. For the avatar, maybe we want to switch that out for Charles in the coffee bar.
Elevate your style with the ALD Porsche.
Okay, that looks pretty good. And you can also change out the music too if you want. So you can add another one. You can just switch out maybe just the music, have no music on this one. You can also change out the avatar to maybe Afu. I'm gonna click on him.
Elevate your style with the ALD Porsche 993 Turbo Leather Club Jacket.
Of course, you can create unlimited videos with the creator plan, so link is in the description if you want access to that. You could either render these 3 videos and just save it, or you can go over to the quick edit. If I click on the quick edit, it's going to take you to this where you can change the transitions to maybe instead of it going down, you can do a fade transition in between each product image. You could also change out the text here. Let's say this one, you can change the layout to this one and it'll look like that. You can also replace the media. If I click on this, you can choose a different image to start with. So maybe you want to do this one and I click confirm. It's going to look like that. Of course, I might want to change the layout because it's a tall image. So I can reset this just to go back, and I could also adjust this so I can either make it full screen or not in the ProEdit. In order to do that, you just go back to the previous window, and then I'm going to go over to the ProEdit over here. It's going to take you to the timeline where you can adjust further elements in the ad. So you can change the avatar by clicking on the avatar in the timeline and switching him out for a different one like Charles' bedroom. You can do that one, or the one that I like, which was Afu relaxing. That one's kind of cool. You could also add a background and adjust all of these values. You can do a rounded corner, a sharp corner, and you can also change the background fill color to like red or something. And you do have the on-screen controls where you can change and position the text wherever you want on the screen. So I'm going to click on the image and I'm going to go over to where it says basic, and I'm going to go to fill, and this will fill the entire screen with our image, which is what I like. You can do none if you just don't want anything in the back. Fit will create a blur, so just keep that in mind. So I'm gonna go with fill. And if you go over to elements, you can actually add elements to your ad. So if I zoom in into the timeline here, you just go to view all for the Black Friday elements, which is really cool. And maybe I want to add this 70% discount sticker onto our image. So you just click once and it automatically pops it in there. You can maybe drag it over here. Maybe you want to drag this one down like over here and move this text out like that. You can do something like this. And let's say you're happy with the result. You just go over to save, and then it's going to take you back here. And you can do the same thing for video too. You can go to the quick edit or the pro edit and adjust this even further for each of these clips. But once you're happy, you're going to click on render 3 videos because I have 3 clips. You do have the ability to export unlimited videos really quickly. So I'm going to go with the submit here to save those 3 clips. And now we are saving all those 3 clips, or maybe you have more, maybe you have like 20 clips or something. It's going to save them all at once without you having to do anything else. You can sit back and relax and come back once it's finished. So when it finishes rendering out your clips, it's going to be in here in the projects. And I had this one from earlier, but these are the 3 clips that we worked on today. So if I push on play, it's going to look like this once it's rendered out.
Elevate your style with the ALD Porsche 993 Turbo Leather Club Jacket. Experience luxury with premium leather and iconic Porsche branding.
And if I go over to the second clip, this is what it looks like.
Elevate your style with the ALD Porsche 993 Turbo Leather Club Jacket.
And then you have this third one here.
Elevate your style with the ALD Porsche 993 Turbo Leather Club Jacket. Experience luxury with premium leather.
If you're happy with those, you can just go over here and click on the download button for each of those, or you can just select them like this, and then you can hit the download, and this will download them all in a single click. So you have a whole bunch of really cool templates to use. You have the all use cases. So you can also go to the Black Friday ones here, the Black Friday templates. You have the furniture and decorations. You have software and games. So these are really cool. You have this one here, which is kind of nice, where there's someone speaking, and then it kind of, you have the apps. If you want to showcase an app, you could do that, which is kind of nice. You have electronics. So you have this one here or this one. You have beauty and personal care. So you can do this minimalist pink template for showcasing personal care and beauty products. You have toys and books, sports and outdoors, clothing and accessories, real estate, you have education, and you also have the local business templates. So when you guys are ready to sign up, I will have the link in the description where you guys can try JoggAI, and they also have the Black Friday special. If you guys are new to JoggAI, they currently have 50% off their yearly plans. The most popular one here is going to be the creator one that you guys just saw in this video, which is for creators and teams with high video creation demands, creating long form and high quality videos, as you can see here. So you can generate generate unlimited video ads with this plan. You have all of these aspect ratios. You can generate videos up to 15 minutes, and you can generate 10 instant avatars, which is nice. And all of the features do include everything in the starter plan. You can create videos in batches, which is absolutely amazing, or A/B testing. I highly recommend the creator plan. I'll have a link where you can sign up. So if you found this video helpful, I will catch you guys on my next video.